friends! My name is Lilith, and welcome back to Sketchbook Story. I recently discovered my old planner from my last year of university. It brought back so many memories, and I just wanted to share with you all how I approached bullet journaling and DIY planners. I'm not an expert on time management or organization, but I am pretty particular about how I structure my planners so that it can be as small as possible. I'm starting out with a pencil here to draft up my old template because it's been a while and I wasn't sure if I would make any mistakes on the first run-through. I used this format for a long time when I was in school, but since graduating, I've realized my schedule is much more sporadic and spontaneous now, so I no longer need the weekly template like I did in the past. When I design a planner spread, I prefer to be able to see my entire week and the entire day's timetable at one single glance. This means fitting 7 days onto a spread that is 5 inches by 6 inches. This notebook also comes with dotted pages, which makes drawing boxes and columns very easy. And I like that the dots are not too noticeable from a distance. I prefer colored pencils over markers because I feel safer using dry medium, knowing it's not going to bleed or streak, and I feel more in control of the color. Because this notebook is tiny, I can cover the entire spread with colored pencil in no time. I like covering up as much white of the page as I can because I designed the white to be my free time. If I leave white in the column of a day, it means I don't have anything planned and that I can fit in more things, such as getting coffee with friends or reading. My timetable when I was in school ran from 6 a.m. until midnight because that is roughly the time that I may be awake, depending on the day and what classes I had. I create little cloud shapes to indicate the amount of hours I am busy with something. In this case, I put down my filming and my editing schedule, as well as dinner plans with my sister because her birthday is coming up this Thursday. I put down the hours in 2-hour increments, so 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 12, 2, 4 p.m., and so on. Based on the size of the cloud shape, I can tell how many hours I'm busy depending on how many rows it takes up. I also do half increments, so if I get out of class at 4:20 p.m. for example, I'm able to draw it out in a way that I understand. I feel like this is difficult to demonstrate on camera. I also learned not to overfill my week too early, so that I have some wiggle room to shuffle and prioritize throughout the week. After roughly blocking out my week, it's time for stickers. These stickers were a gift from my good friend Eugen, who visited me often when I was still a student. These were supposed to be nail decals, but I think they fit this spread pretty nicely and gives the pages a little bit of glimmer. I've collected some stationery stickers over the years. Most are from my mother, who is a huge scrapbook enthusiast. I came across this cute print that my friend Maggie gifted me. I really like the transparency of the artwork. I love to pile on lots of stickers because it encourages me to go back and use the planner often. And it's like a wonderful world whenever I open the pages, providing a nice break from my busy day. When I was in elementary school, I loved to collect stickers, and I had an entire sticker book filled with them. I don't know where it went, and I'm sad that I can't use them for my planner. I used to hold on to stickers for a long time because I find them too precious to be used, but I learned to let that go because I realized how much more joy it brings me to see them on the page that journals my past moments and memories. Since this planner is small, I use sticky pads to make more room in case I run out of space. I cut up this memo pad here into 3 strips the same width as my day columns. I prefer sticky pads because I can remove them at any time to view my schedule underneath. I tend to write down future to-dos or small errands that are involved in my assignments, such as printing or assigned readings. I hope you enjoyed this video and my process. It was very fun to bullet journal again and very therapeutic as well. I hope you have a wonderful day or night, and I will see you soon.